Hi Kelly and Urban Hum, I'm N.Rodgers, the head mechatronics engineer from Rodgers Engineering, and I've come to you today with a presentation to show you two products and one service to help Urban Hum run smoother, safer and more efficiently. My first product I'm going to show you is a design to help you schedule your daily runs more efficiently and ensure you're only visiting the hives that need to be visited. This improvement has two main parts, the product and the app associated with it. The product consists of a series of load cells that measure mass of an object and a particle microcontroller that reads the information from the load cells. The combination of these products acts like a bathroom scale. The idea of this design is that the scale can measure any variation in mass within the hive. Using this information, we can detect both problems within the hive as well as when the hive is ready to be harvested. The scales will read and analyse the gradual increase in the hive's weight, with the growth of honey being made within the hive, and can hence know when the hive is full and ready to be harvested. If, however, the hive happened to fall over or part of the hive had disintegrated, the scale would know that there's a problem. Same thing goes if there's an intruder. It would read a sharp increase in the weight and know that there's an immediate issue. The associated app is how the users get access to this information. The scales in each hive are constantly talking to the app with live readings. I have a basic demo of the app here. Within the Near Hive section, we can see a list of hives ranked by how far they are from you. Within here, you can click on the individual hives to see vital information about them, including the current mass of the hive, its honey capacity as a percentage, and other information that may be needed. If we then go back to the home page and enter the urgent section, we can see a ranking of urgencies of the hives, the most urgent being dark red down to the blue and green colours further down. Urgency consists of a full hive or one of the previously described problems. Then the All Hives option is a list of all the hives where we can again see the information on each hive. And then the final option is a map of the area with each hive highlighted as shown. The second product I'm going to show you is a safer way to get objects up and down a ladder. The idea of this product is to help you lift the hive or honey, whether it is full or not, up a ladder without presenting a safety issue. It has a lifting capacity of 250 kilograms, so any products can be lifted with ease. You essentially load the product on as shown. You then climb the ladder and use the winch at the top to raise the platform, providing a safer and easier alternative to putting these products on the roof and also removing them. The winch is connected to cables, which are then connected to the support platform, so when the cable is drawn in, the platform is raised. When finished with the task, the system can fold up into a trolley-like system and wheels are attached as shown in the drawings. This then makes it easier to move the products around on ground level as well. Our proposal for your service is one that I believe can expand your business to great heights with minimal effort on your behalf. This is the development of surfboard wax. There are approximately 30 surf stores in the suburbs of Newcastle. These all stock Australia's most popular surf wax, Mrs. Palmer's, for between $4 to $7 for 90 grams depending on which store you look at. This generic brand has been the top choice in Australia due to having a complete monopoly on the industry due to lack of competition. To begin with, I propose that the excess wax that comes from the beehives be used and shaped into blocks of wax that could be used in surf shops around the local area. Like the attraction of local honey, I believe that local surfers will love the idea of locally made surf wax. These could then be made very cheaply because the wax can essentially be squashed into a block with no need for accuracy. If these were then retailed at a slightly higher, premium rate to Mrs. Palmer's, then local surfers would flock to the idea of a local company making their surf wax out of excess beeswax. If it were a success in Newcastle, then they could be introduced in other large local surfing communities such as the Central Coast, Surfers Paradise, or even internationally to places like Bali or Hawaii. If the wax was sold at $10.10 per unit with a 90-gram block of wax, after research I found it all cost approximately 10 cents for a simple package around the block, if approximately 1,000 are done in bulk for the initial test run. Packaging is completely biodegradable, ensuring that when the product is finished with, the packaging won't make an environmental impact. There are approximately 3 million surfers in Australia, with every surfer averaging 10 blocks of wax per annum. This equates to 30 million blocks of wax being sold in Australia annually. If Urban Hum were to take even 1% of this market, you would be selling 300,000 units for an annual $3 million cash turnover. When this service does become a success, Rodgers Engineering can help to expand the company even further to build more efficient and cheaper packaging for higher bulk orders, as well as finding the cheapest delivery service for long distance delivery. The business would also be mainly based in the wintertime, preparing all the products for summer sales, making it ideal for Urban Hum's time schedule. Thank you for considering Rodgers Engineering. Please contact me through these details for further explanation of our schedule improvement product, the ladder safety product, or our surf wax service. We look forward to doing business with you and assisting your company to grow to its full potential in the near future.